Today I have an unboxing, which is something that was on trend years ago, but I haven't just jumped to it because I don't know, like I've been liking this item, but it seems like it took me a while to just get it. So I hope from Gucci, and okay, let's see what it is. So it comes with, I don't know where to put this. Okay, we'll just put it there. So it comes with this, and then the receipt, and then the 2 dust bags. So obviously it's a pair of shoes. And it's the Gucci Princetown Mules. So I hope it is true to size for me. I got a size 8 because I have Gucci sandals, the slip-ons, I mean, and it's always true to size for me. So I hope this will fit well. Okay, let's put it like this, and then let me try this on. So this is very pretty and obviously new. Yeah, it has a little creasing in here. Yeah, and the other one looks perfect. So at the back, looks like this. So it's size 38, which is size 8. So I'm gonna try it on and see if it is true to size for me. I'm sorry. There you go. Well, it looks like it fits me well. Oh, it's so pretty and comfy. So it fits well. This, then at the sides. Yeah, I love it. So I'm glad that I got the black. I'm debating of getting the black versus the white, but I have a lot of black purses and I think it will go well with this one. And white gets dirty easily, and this one is like a no-brainer for me if I'm gonna wear it with anything. So yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you again for watching and dropping by. Bye. Take care.